Who is she? Who is she? She is I is me. She is she. That makes no sense, but who cares? It's me. Oh, that rhymed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benti if you're new. So today we are going to be focusing on this look. Honestly, we're really focusing on the eyes. The face, no new products. Honestly, the eyes have no new products either, but it's just a different eye look that I'm doing, and I'm showing you guys how to do it. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. But before we do that, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And now, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so as you see, I brought you a little closer because we're starting with the eyes, and essentially this whole video is going to really be about the eyes today. And not a crazy look, but I'm just going to be focused on the eyes mostly for the video. So I'm going to be doing this yellow cut crease. Actually, it's not even a cut crease. It's more of a soft glam yellow look. I don't have an official name for it yet. Maybe by the end of this video, I will think of something. But I did my brows off camera. I used my Sephora pencil in the color 8, which is chocolate brown. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime my lids really quickly. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. And I'm going to prime my lids and then come right back. Okay, we are back. Again, I primed my lids with my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, and now we're going to get into the eyeshadow. So I am going to take That's Not Cute, which is this color right here. This is like a nudish brown. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. So I'm using my M441 brush, and I'm going to swirl it around. And I'm just going to pat and brush sweep it right across my lid. So I'm gonna keep doing this as many times until I get the desired look that I'm going for. You know, it's funny because sometimes I want to just focus on one eye first and then do the other one, but sometimes I forget what I do on one eye, so I have to always make sure I do it at the same time. But then sometimes one eye looks better than the other, and I'm like, maybe I should focus on one and then focus on the other. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to focus on one eye to make sure it comes out properly. And then I'm going to focus on the second eye. So I am deepening up it a little bit more. So I'm adding some more to the brush. Not too much, just that much. And I am patting and sweeping it across just like that. And I'm doing it lightly. I'm not going to do it too hard. Gotta have a soft hand when you're doing it, eyeshadow, so it can just look seamless. So I think I got it to where I want, because this is gonna just be considered my transition shade. This is not necessarily the shade I'm putting into my crease. So now I'm gonna get a different brush. I'm going to still use the same brush, just a little bit more fluffy. Well, actually, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use another brush. I'm gonna use my M573 brush. It's a little bit more dense. I really wish I had a fluffier brush, but I can't really find that right now, so that's fine. And I'm gonna go in with a deeper color, so I'm gonna do Expensive, which is this deep brown. Honestly, I will call it a true brown because it's just that perfect brown that you want. And I'm gonna swipe it around, and I'm going to put that right in my crease area and swipe it back and forth. So me doing this is deepening my crease a little bit more. It's giving it more color. And I'm still going with a light touch. And then I'm blending it up a little bit more so that it can blend in with the color that I used before. And that color, remember, was That's Not Cute, which was my transition. So I'm adding a little tab, just a tab right on the tip. And then I'm going in again once more to blend it all in together. Then I'm gonna take back the M44 brush, which had That's Not Cute on it, and I'm gonna blend everything out at the same time. So it's gonna be both blending together. So you won't see that line of demarcation. It's just gonna be like a seamless blend. All right, how does that look? So it's a nice gradient effect of the colors. And then I'm gonna quickly do the other side, and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so both sides are done. I'm going to take another brush. Actually, I'm gonna keep this same brush that I use for the darker color, which is the M573 brush. And I'm going to take 94. This is like a reddish brown. So I'm gonna take it, dab it right on the tip, and I'm just gonna deepen up, just add a little color right here. Nothing too crazy. Right there. Just like that, and kind of slowly blend it out. like that. So I'm kind of blending it out to diffuse it, so it's not too crazy. It's just like a hint of it, just a hint of the color. I put a little bit too much on this side, so I'm gonna add a little bit, just a touch, and I'm gonna add it on this side. So kind of have the same amount of intensity to the color. So for the main attraction, I'm gonna take my, what is this? My M433 brush, which is kind of like a flat, but it's still fluffy, a flat, fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the color yellow, which is so pristine. And this is not like a bright, bright yellow. It's more like a dull mustardy, but still bright yellow, if that makes sense. And I'm going to brush it on my brush, and then I'm going to pat it just softly, ever so gently, onto my lid. So just remember to always pat, be very gentle. And then you can bring it up a little bit. See, I didn't even go back and add, this is just from one dab from the palette. So I'm taking it again, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm gently, ever so softly patting it onto my lid. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think it looks really good. The yellow is very vibrant. Oh, y'all can't see. I think it looks really good. The yellow is very vibrant onto my skin. Y'all know melanin skin and yellow is like a perfect duo, a perfect match. And that's literally all I did to get this look. I am going to add some eyeliner. The eyeliner that I actually want is not, I can't find that. I think I need to get more, so I'm going to use a cream eyeliner, so it's not as intensified as I want, but it's okay. We'll still get the desired eyeliner look that I want to achieve. So I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. I would have preferred my liquid liner. This cream eyeliner, well, I think it's dried out one, or it needs to be more liquefied, because it just wasn't, it's not giving me what I really want. I could have went without the eyeliner, but it's okay, it's all right. It's not terrible. I just feel like a liquid matte liner would have definitely looked better. So I'm just using my mascara to add it to my lashes, and then we are going to finish off the face. And then I'll come back. And we're back. Lashes are on. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna finish off the face. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I still literally don't have a name, but probably by the time I post this video, you will get a name. But I just hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.